The TV we watch today, what did it look like before? In 1955, TVs were black and white inside wooden cabinets. In 1965, TVs still came in wooden cabinets, but color had started to appear. By 1975, TVs started moving from wooden cabinets to plastic bodies. In 1985, TVs were big, heavy, and bulky. By 1995, TVs had larger screens and better picture quality. By 2005, TVs started getting thinner with flat screens. By 2015, TVs were connected to the internet and apps. Today, TV is no longer just for watching. It's a complete entertainment system. Gaming didn't just improve, it transformed. In 1975, gaming existed only in arcades. In 1985, people started gaming at home. By 1995, gaming had become more advanced. By 2005, gaming became more powerful. By 2015, gaming had gone online and connected. It's a complete immersive experience. Cars changed faster than we expected. 1965, big, powerful cars. 1975, boxy car designs. 1985, the start of modern cars. 1995, smoother car designs. 2015, the era of smart cars. Today's cars don't just drive, they think. In 1965, glasses were heavy and simple. By 1975, bold frames became popular. By 1985, glasses frames became smaller and lighter. By 1995, glasses became lighter and more comfortable. In 2005, brands and design started to matter. By 2015, glasses became a fashion statement. Today, glasses are smart and tech-driven.